History books will tell you the British ruled Jamaica, but they rarely tell you about the people who refused to bow. High in the Blue Mountains lived a woman who fought an empire. Her name was Queen Nanny. Before Jamaica was free, one woman terrified the entire British army. Her name was Nanny of the Maroons. She was a leader of the Windward Maroons, living deep in Jamaica's Blue Mountains in the 1700s. British soldiers hunted her for years, but they could never capture her. Nanny and her warriors used the mountains, forests, and guerrilla tactics to ambush British patrols. Some stories say she could catch bullets and send them back. Her resistance was so powerful that the British were forced to sign a treaty with the Maroons in 1739.
First, that all hostilities shall cease on both sides forever. Secondly, that the said Captain Cudjoe, the rest of his captains, adherents, and men shall forever hereafter in a perfect state of freedom and liberty.
Today, Queen Nanny is a Jamaican national hero, a warrior, a strategist, and a symbol of freedom.